Source A. Mahuan's 1433. Mahuan was a translator for the Chinese admiral Zheng He. He traveled with the famous Chinese fleet on 3 voyages and wrote an account of his travels. Here is his account of Malacca. When Zheng He first arrived in Malacca, there was no king. It was led by a chief, and Malacca was controlled by Thailand. Malacca paid an annual tribute of 48 ounces of gold to Thailand. If it didn't pay, Thailand wouldn't send men to attack it. In 1409, the Emperor of China sent Zheng He to make the chief of a king by giving him 2 silver seals, a hat, a belt, and a robe. Zheng He created a stone monument that declared Malacca to be a kingdom. After that, Thailand did not dare invade Malacca. The king of Malacca selected local products and went with his wife, his son, and some of his chiefs on Chinese ships to the capital of China. He met the Emperor of China and presented him the products of Malacca as tribute.